I bought the Ooni Karu 12 in July 2020 and this is my first pizza cook. Here I'm testing out my pizza garlic bread. It's my favourite alternative to pizza that I cook in these ovens. It's just lots of garlic, some butter, and you can put some honey on it as well. I use pizza dough to make it. Really nice, and it's so tasty. I found this oven really easy to use. The only downside compared to the Karu 12G, which is now renamed the Karu 2, is the door. If you're cooking with the wood fire option, then you will need to put the door on, and the door is solid and you can't see the pizza cooking. But when you use the gas burner, the original gas burner with this oven, you do not need the door and you do not need the chimney. So that's why I use this oven a lot for gas as well, because I could take the chimney off and take the door off. I love this oven as a wood burner. As I said though, the only difference is the door. Way I could make sure that my pizza wasn't burning with the wood fire option is by checking the pizza more than I should be by taking the door off, which then releases the heat, and it meant that my cooks were a bit longer in the wood fire oven. Added the gas burner, the original gas burner, to this oven. It's my favourite multi-fuel gas burner. Got a lovely sized wood grate which gives you easy access to the fire, to reheat it, to start it up again, and to add more logs or charcoal, which is what I do all the time with this oven when I'm cooking with wood. And because it's got an easy access area, it just makes everything very simple. I do use kindling sized logs though. Bigger logs do not fit, so kindling sized logs are the perfect size for this oven. Managed to catch some snow, very rare where I live, to cook outside in. I really wish it would snow more so I can have these magical cooks in the snow with wood fire. Just love it. these are all the tools that I use for cooking with the Ooni Karu 12, and I've got my kindling logs, peels, got a gas burner, wooden pizza peel, metal pizza peel, kindling, and some heat-proof gloves, although I don't use those anymore. I've got leather ones, which are better. Cooking in this oven was such an enjoyable experience, as long as you've got that door sorted, that you can hear it cooking and smell it cooking and check on it. But it's a really lovely oven to use. They still sell it in the Ooni shop as of the recording of this video. A lovely 12-inch portable oven. That's the predecessor of the Karu 12G, now the Karu 2. And I made a video comparing it with the Karu 16, and I've got that in the Karu 12 playlist if you'd like to check that out. And this is another pizza garlic bread, and this time I did use honey on the top, and that's really, really tasty. It was honey with a bit of kick to it. It had a bit of hot oil in it. Very nice. Always handy to have a pizza brush by your side just in case you need to get some extra debris off your stone. And by this time now we're coming up to the winter. Made a review of this oven because I'd had it now for more than 2 years. I love the industrial feel to it with those rivets. I really like that. Ooni have moved away from that now, but I really do like that rivet look. Like it's an industrial sturdy oven. Now they have the grey like powdered structure to match with the other ovens in the Ooni ranges, but I do really like that studded rivet look. And in May 2023, the Karu 12G, which is now named the Karu 2, came out, and my cooking then moved to cooking in the Karu 12G, so I cooked a lot less in the older Karu 12. But I still use it because I love the oven, but because of the glass door, I'm tending to use the Karu 2 more now than this older version, but I do still love this older version. I just think it's a great oven if you are thinking of buying one. The only downside is the door is solid for the wood cook, but if you can manage with that, then yeah, this is a lovely pizza oven to have. Doogie, looking at my chimneys, those are the chimneys from both of the Karu 2 Karu 12G as it was, just to compare the sizes. So I made a video on comparing the Karu 12G, which is now the Karu 2, and this oven, which is also in the playlist below. Let me know in the comments what you think of the renaming of the Ooni Karu 12G to Karu 2, and what you think of this original Karu 12 pizza oven. And do you use it for gas or do you use it for wood if you have one? I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.